Hello everyone, I am Nithin.
I am Vamshi.
I am Rishab.
E-waste has a significant position in increasing the carbon footprint. As smartphones are being used in large numbers, this becomes the main cause of e-waste, hence increasing the carbon footprint.
According to the Central Pollution Control Board in India, which generated 7,08,445 tons of e-waste in 2017 and 18 and 7,71,215 tons the following year. In 2019 to 20, the figure rose 32% to 10,14,961 tons. In the year 2018 to 19, India collected just 10% of the total e-waste for recycling. Our aim is to reduce the e-waste, which is in the form of a smartphone.
A circular economy is an alternative to the traditional linear economy. In a circular economy, we keep resources in use for as long as possible, extract the maximum value from them while in use, then recover and regenerate products and materials at the end of each service life. Almost every household has an old smartphone in the house. This phone can be used as a security camera. We have used a MB102 breadboard power supply module to convert this solar energy to electricity, and we are using it to charge the smartphone. By doing this, we are not contributing towards e-waste. We are using an old disposed battery in our power bank.
We have used a wide-angle lens to cover a wider area in the old smartphone's camera.
Easy Access, a free version of an Android app which is called Camera Remote Bluetooth, is used in our project. This app is very simple and no setup is required. Apps have to be installed in camera phones and preview phones. We have control of the camera like zooming in and out, recording video, clicking pictures, etc.
On-ground testing. We tested the difference between the wide-angle lens fitted to a smartphone and the normal lens. We have tested the wireless video transmission via Bluetooth. The connectivity was found to be about 150 feet long without any lag in the video. In order to reduce this e-waste, we are trying to cut down one of the major costs by bringing old smartphones to use. This innovative solution reduces the carbon footprint and enables the transition to truly sustainable India.